Today we will discuss about a very common fruit that have numerous health benefits. This fruit has so many healing medicinal properties that a lot of people are unaware of them. Yes, we will talk about bananas. There are some hidden secrets that next time after you eat your banana, don't throw away the peel. First, let me tell you what vitamins and minerals bananas have. Banana carry all the B vitamins, especially B6, of which you can get 33% of daily recommended amount from one banana. It is rich in vitamin C. It also contains manganese, copper, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium, along with some calcium, zinc, and iron. But do you know that inside of the skin carries some calcium, magnesium, as well as potassium, which can be used for teeth whitening? And what is special about the inside of the banana is that there is nothing abrasive that can hurt your teeth as compared to other products. So what you will do is you will cut a 1 or 2 inch or whatever it looks good. Make sure that banana should not be overripe. It should not have too much brown spots. And what you are going to do is you will take a portion of the inside of the banana peel and you will rub it against your teeth. You will rub around in circular motion as you move along the teeth on the upper as well as on the lower side. And you will do for a couple of minutes and leave it on for about 10 minutes. So your teeth can get its major effect from that banana, which obviously is to make your teeth clean and white. And the other major benefit of the banana is that inside of the banana has antimicrobial properties. So as you are rubbing your teeth and gums, that potentially can help gingivitis or some other gum conditions. Due to its rich vitamin C content, it will also help in bleeding gums. But remember, if you have any significant problems in your mouth, always check with your dentist. And then you can brush your teeth. By using banana peel, many people out there see immediate results. But the key thing is using this over time, as the results will continue to get better as time progresses. And the other major benefit of banana peel is that it have also been shown to help make your lips glossier and plumper. But remember one thing, you need to put the banana peel in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. And then you could apply it on your upper and lower lips for 10 minutes. And then wash it off. And these banana peels can also do wonders for those who have dark circles and bags under their eyes. If you want to apply this, it is better to keep a banana peel in refrigerator for at least same amount of time, like 20 to 30 minutes. Then applying it under the eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. And some people also do this by mixing with part of banana peel with some aloe vera gel and then apply it under eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. This can do wonders for you. And there has been so many people around the world who had great results using those banana peels. So I thought I would share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more. Have a great day.